This under-sink cartridge delivers very fine filtration down to 0.01 micron, so it captures extremely small contaminants that basic filters usually miss. Its multistage design tackles chlorine, off flavors, odors, and a range of heavy metals and sediment, giving tap water a much cleaner and more neutral taste. The filter is built to handle up to 19,000 gallons of municipal water over roughly 2 years, which keeps maintenance fairly infrequent for most households. Construction quality is impressive, with a durable ultrafiltration membrane, coconut shell-based carbon, and food-grade materials that are free of lead and bisphenol A. It integrates smoothly with Waterdrop under-sink systems and can feed a regular faucet, a dedicated drinking tap, or even a refrigerator line without extra hassle. The twist and lock housing makes replacements extremely quick and tool-free, so swapping cartridges is a simple task rather than a messy plumbing project.